Hi there, this is my first video on this channel, and I will start with the short overview, or let's say maybe not overview, but some basics of Microsoft project. These basics most likely will give you opportunity to, let's say, to make a basic planning for some basic processes. I will not go today deep into details. I will just show you the main features you will most likely use at the very beginning. The first of all is just the task. Let's create the task. You just put as an Excel, you just put your cursor in the cell under the task name, and let's say video channel creation. So this is kind of header task. After that, we have to divide, let's say, subtasks. So what we need to start a video channel? Most likely we will need to buy software for video production. So maybe we need to buy some courses for video creation. Okay, let's imagine two more. Buy camera. And let's say, which is really my problem, to find voice person, the one who will speak. In case, for example, if you are not gonna do that by yourself. So now the project see this as equal tasks. Project don't understand that it's these four are subtasks. So to make it subtasks, you just need to push this button, indent task. So now it's a group of tasks. By completing each of them, you will finish your main task, which is video channel creation. So the logic is following that each of these tasks has its own duration, most likely in days or hours. For time being, let's keep it like days. This header will just sum the total duration of these subtasks. So let's say here we need 2 days, here we need 1 day, here we need 1 day, and here we need, let's say, 10 days. By default, it's ignoring weekend. So that means it's 2 complete weeks. Each week consists of 5 days. As I mentioned, it's ignoring the weekends. Here, you can see here that it started on Tuesday and finished in 2 weeks on Monday. So here we need to put the start date. If you're gonna start today, for example, you just put here today. And now it's calculating that the task will be started today and finished in by end of Wednesday 28/09. So for basics, you also need to know what for we need these two columns. Sometimes you can start the next tasks only after you finish the task, which is by different reasons have to be started before. So here you just put the number of the task, this one, after which you want to start this task. Let's say for simplicity, let's put 2. for the next, we can buy camera only sorry, after we buy courses for video creation and have an idea about what camera we need. So we put here 3. And after everything is finished, we can start the searching for voice person. So here we put 4. As I mentioned, we do very simple project just for your understanding. In future, I will describe how to make some additional features here, how to add columns and what you can do there. Also today, the last one I want to mention is resource names, which for planning is crucial. And today I will just show how to do that. By resource means that for this task, we need someone to do that. So in my case, I will write it's me. As soon as I wrote that, here is the simple way to do that. After that, I can assign this a resource as well to all the other tasks. To buy camera, I would say that I will ask friend. And when I will start searching for the voice person, I would say that I will do that together with my friend. So now is the simple way. It was the simple way how to create a small project. Later, I will go about the details about the manual, automatic tasks, projects in the project, and so on. But as you see here, we just put all the data needed for the subtasks. And now we have the complete duration when we can finish this creation of video channel. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will post daily, so consider subscribe and have a nice day, evening, or morning. Goodbye.